Welcome to Curry TV. You know, one of those days that you just don't want to cook but you just want to get it done? This is a recipe for you guys. So it's one pot dish. It's an egg curry. It's a lazy man's egg curry. Let's take a look at all the ingredients we need for this recipe. You need coconut oil, mustard, turmeric powder, red Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, ginger, garlic paste, tomato, Roma tomatoes that are medium size, 3 cups of diced onion, 3 green chilies, and of course you need egg, and cilantro for garnish, curry leaves, salt to taste, and then some water. That's it. It's going to come all together really fast. In about 10 minutes, your egg curry is going to be ready for you. You can have this with chapati, paratha, rice, whatever you want, whatever your heart desires. Okay, so let's start our process. Going with our coconut oil. Into that, we're going to add our mustard. Just let that heat up. In the meantime, we're going to get our ginger and garlic paste. That's what is going to go next. As soon as our mustard starts dancing in that oil. To this, we're going to add our tomato. The more onion that you have, the gravy is going to be nice and thick. We're going to start seasoning this with some salt. Add a small bit right now, and then later on, if you want, you can add more. The salt is also going to help wilt down our onion and saute faster. I'm going to add 3 green chilies, just splitting in half. The spiciness is going to come from that Kashmiri red chili powder, which is going to give that bright red color, but the spiciness really comes through the green chilies. At this stage, let's add our turmeric powder, our garam masala, coriander powder, and Kashmiri red chili powder. The raw flavor of all that masala needs to be sauteed well along with our ginger garlic paste, green chilies, curry leaves, tomato, onion, and salt. This is perfect. I'm going to add a little bit of water. If you want vegetable stock or chicken broth, whatever that you have, you can do it. Like I said, this is an easy peasy egg curry. That's about 3 cups of water. To this, our party is going to start by adding all our eggs. Let that come to a boil. So ready to go in. Just crack open an egg right in there and let that sit. Don't do anything. That's why you want a nice wide pan. And that's it. Our job here is done. We're going to cover this and let it cook for about 7 minutes. Voila! Okay, our egg curry is all done. That's it. Look at that egg. Perfectly cooked. Right. Now all we are going to do is garnish this and taste test if you want to add more seasoning, but I think this is perfect. And just go in. I'm going to garnish it with some cilantro. That's it. Your egg curry is ready. Like I said, in under 10 minutes, your fabulous egg curry is ready. This way you don't have to boil the eggs, peel the eggs, all that mess is all out of the way. It's a one-pot dish and very good with chapati, bread, idiyappam, appam, parathas, rice, whatever your choices are. I hope you will give it a try and see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.